Hey, I'm Chris Wado, founder of Lamin-x Protective Films. We make 100% made here in the USA long-term surface protection products, primarily servicing the automotive and motorcycle markets, but also for industrial applications too, and other areas that need to protect their surfaces from getting abused and damaged over time.
Yeah, my name is Jeff Smith. I'm the account manager here at Lamin-x Protective Films, and I handle all of our business accounts, anywhere from your industrial to your mom and pop tent shops.
We provide our Lamin-x for your fog lights, for headlights, for taillights, for unique customization for customers as an addendum and add-on, to whether it's a paint protection installer for a new car dealer using our Ricochet brand of products for protective films on paint, right? Protecting every single square inch of a vehicle, to just the door cups, so the door edge guards to the top of rear bumpers. We make the paint protection films for those applications, whether it's a pre-cut kit or a universal sheet or a bulk roll for those applications.
So by becoming a dealer and installer with Lamin-x, you have a one-on-one dedicated sales rep that you don't have to call through phone trees or anything like that. You have my direct line that you can either call, text, or email, and I'll be here to help you day or night and on the weekends.
We can design pre-cut applications, die-cut applications for your products, for what you make, what you need. We can make it, drop ship it to your customers, or you can buy 10,000 units to supply, and you can sell under your own brand name. We service it for you. These are some of the applications, things that we do for any other business that requires long-term surface protection. We can make it here, 100% made USA in the beautiful North Georgia mountains, ready to ship out to you whatever you need us.
So when partnering with Lamin-x Protective Films, you're not buying into just a company or a product, but also a service. You'll have a dedicated customer service rep, someone that's here for you whenever you need us. We'll cater to your needs. Whatever you need, we're here for you and get out to you in a timely manner.